Hello tubes. This is a lawnmower I got off the side of the road. An acquaintance of mine told me where it was. It wasn't far from my house. This does run, as it states on it. Idle was a little high, so I just had to bend this here so that it doesn't idle so high. Handlebars need a little work. Need a hammer, and I need another one of these for the other side. It does run. And it looks like I'm gonna need to maybe bend that. I don't know. But this is the first one of the year. I'm gonna power wash it. Check back later. Pretty much done with this one now. Really, this was pretty easy. I just power washed it. Gonna have to change the oil and sharpen the blade. The oil is blacker than black. Lubed up all the adjustment wheels. I fixed the handlebars. These need to be bent and tightened up. Needed to tighten up the recoil. It was loose, making some noise, and really, I'll give you a start here. Starts pretty easy. See if I can get my camera here set up. Runs okay. Maybe a $50 lawnmower. Help someone else out. Later tubes.